हेलो।
हाँ जी सर, अभी आपका आवाज आ रहा था।
Okay, okay. Sorry for disturbance because my laptop some problem is happening. Okay, I will share again. Okay, are you seeing my PowerPoint now?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then first question already we have talked. Most salt tolerant fruit crop is date palm, or name of botanical name of date palm is Phoenis dactylifera, and another is pomegranate, Punica granatum, mango, Mangifera indica, banana, and this is the answer, date palm. And another salt tolerant cereals is, anyone tell?
barley.
Barley. Good, good. Another,
Pomegranate.
no. Another cereal. Pomegranate is the fruit crop.
Barley.
Barley. Barley, good. Barley is the salt tolerant cereal crop. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Next question is maximum arable land area per person in the world. This question also coming many times in GRF, SRF, and ERS. Okay. Maximum arable land area per person in the world. Anyone tell?
America.
Mahinder, mute yourself. Mahinder Chaudhary. Okay, thank you. Maximum arable land area per person in the world. Okay.
USA.
For answer, anyone tell? India, USA,
Australia.
Australia, Iran.
Australia.
Sir,
Australia.
Australia.
USA, Australia.
Australia.
Australia. Maximum arable land area per person in the world is Australia. Okay.
यस सर।
Okay. Then next question. A demonstration which shows the value or worth of new practices is known as a demonstration which show. Hello. Hello.
Frontline.
यस सर।
Voice not coming anyone this. A demonstration which shows the value or worth of the new practices other than extension person or social science person. Okay. For answer is coming method demonstration, result demonstration, then national demonstration, and complete plot demonstration.
Result demonstration, sir.
Result
Result
demonstration.
Good. Result demonstration. Okay, what is the method demonstration? Anyone tell method demonstration and result demonstration? What is the difference between method and result? Any example? This also many times this question is coming. Any example, field example. Result means your demonstration is apply, means display in the field, like growing up new your technology and other. Then method means your method is demonstrated. So that is maybe 1 day, 2 days method, but result demonstration is require more time. Okay, that is the difference between result and method demonstration. Then next question, caprification is associated with
Fig.
Fig.
okay, caprification is associated with fig. Question is okay, but what is
Sir.
caprification?
ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు చూద్దాం అప్పుడు కొత్త కొత్త బిట్లు దొరుకుతాయి.
Fig.
Hello, answer is figs.
Already there is.
Fig fruits.
Hello, answer is okay, fig. But what is caprification? Anyone tell? Any horticulturist?
Pollination by
Pollination by
Population of
fig
figs.
wasp.
Pollination by
Wasp.
wasp. Good. So this is the caprification. Hello,
Yes, sir.
my voice coming? What is-
हाँ
Yes.
सर.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. So I take this definition: artificial pollination of fig that usually bear only pistillate flower by hanging male flower branching of the capri fig in the trees to facilitate pollen transfer by the fig wasp. That is known as caprification. So that is also required, because what is the caprification? Okay. Then next question is related to entomology. Fall brood disease of honeybee is caused due to, anyone tell? Fall brood disease of honeybee is caused due to. Okay, I will give you 4 answer. Bacteria, protozoa, virus, and none of these.
Bacteria.
Bacteria, sir.
bacteria.
Anyone?
I think protozoa, sir.
Yeah,
సార్ ప్రోటోజోవా సార్.
that is caused by protozoa. Okay, fall brood. This question also many times is coming. Okay, then next question is recommended concentration of 2,4-D to control fruit drop in mango. Normal dose is different. If you are using for weedicide, the difference is different. Dose is different, but you use for controlling the fruit, control fruit drop in mango. Then what is the dose? Anyone tell? This question also coming many times.
Is ppm.
Mahendra,
20 ppm.
okay, this is the answer. Less
సార్
than,
లెస్ దెన్ 20 ppm సార్.
more than 20 ppm.
Yes, sir.
So answer is less than 20 ppm.
ppm.
Okay, thank you. Then next question. The book Garden Flower is written by, other than horticulturist. Other than horticulturist. Book Garden Flower is written by. Okay, I will give you 4 answer. V. Swaroop, J.S. Arora,
సార్ వి స్వరూప్.
and B.P. Paul.
V. Swarup, sir.
Good. Who is told? B.P. Paul.
V. Swarup, sir.
సార్ వి స్వరూప్ సార్.
B.P. Paul. Okay. That is written by B.P. Paul.
Okay,
Garden
sir.
Flower. Okay. This question also coming many times. Okay. Next question is, which is a C4 weed? Okay. That is weed,
Amaranth.
not a crop.
Amaranthus species.
Okay, I will give you 4 answer. Common lamp square, little seed canary grass, rice grass Indian, vineyard grass.
Lamb's quarter.
ఆప్షన్ డి.
Any other?
A.
Other than A?
బి సార్. సార్ బి సార్ లిటిల్ సీడ్ కెనారీ గ్రాస్.
Option D, sir.
Other than B?
సార్ బి సార్.
Okay, answer is A, common lens
Yes,
square.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then next question, the herbicide used as pre-plant incorporation. Pre-plant.
Flucloraline.
Okay. Four answer is coming. Flucloraline, isoproteron, butaclor.
Sir, blue chlorine.
Other than flucloraline. Other than flucloraline.
Butachlor.
Answer is flucloraline. Okay, pre-plant.
Sir, your mic is off.
Okay, next question. Next question is, who has proposed the method demonstration? Who has proposed the method demonstration other than social person?
TC man.
Okay, that is the four answer. Daniel Banner, S.A. Knapp, M.S. Mehta, M.S. Swaminathan. Anyone tell? Okay, social scientist, social persons, student. Social science student.
SCN app.
Semen ANAP.
Other than Knapp,
Sir, MS Mehta, sir.
no. That is not related to science, social science. Okay, answer is Knapp, S.A. Knapp. Okay, next question. World Food Day is celebrated on which date? Anyone tell? World Food Day,
16 October.
16 October.
16 October.
October. Yes, sir.
Okay, answer is coming.
16
16 October,
16
30 October, 20.
October.
16 October, sir.
Confirm?
16 October.
Yes, sir. Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Most of the answer is okay. 16 October. Okay, next question is, when total production is zero, then I will give you four answer. When total production is zero, then marginal product will be maximum. B, average product will be maximum. C, average product will be zero. Then D, average and marginal product both will be zero.
D.
D, sir.
Other than D, you note this graph, law of diminishing return. This many times this question, 2-3 question is making this law of diminishing return. So many times this question is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then answer is average and marginal product both will be zero. If total production is zero, then both will be zero. Okay, next question is, one of the important fixed cost on farm is, one of the important fixed cost on farm. If you are start any farm here, so which is the fixed cost? Okay, you tell, for answer is there, seed cost, irrigation cost, Land
Sir,
rent.
land rates, sir. Land rates.
C answer.
Land rent.
Land rent.
Okay.
Land rent, sir.
Good. So answer is land rent.
Land
Okay.
rent.
Okay, good. 90% maybe है ना accurate. Okay, next question is inbreeding in cross-pollinated cross. This question also many times is coming and good question. Inbreeding in cross-pollinated crop increases. What increases? Four answer is there. Homozygosity, heterozygosity,
Sir, heterozygosity, sir.
Homozygosity.
Homozygosity.
who is told heterozygosity?
Homozygosity, sir.
Inbreeding
Homo, sir.
cross-pollinated crop. You know, cross-pollinated when we making the variety. So what will be required? Inbreeding is required. Okay, selfing. Selfing is required. If you are selfing 6 to 7 generation, then 99% it's pure line. So that require the inbreeding or self-crossing. So they increase the homozygosity. Answer is homozygosity. Okay. Okay, you tell what is the difference between genotype, germplasm, variety or line. Anyone tell? Plant science student. What is the difference between germplasm? Simple difference. Germplasm, genotype, and variety oblique line oblique any other. Many times that is called cultivar. This question also many times is coming. Okay, I will tell you. If you go to field for survey and collection of the any seed material or planting material of any crop, okay, then we collect the different type of germplasm. So first time we will collect the germplasm. Then germplasm may be pure or not be pure. So after collecting many type of germplasm around 30, 40, 100, 500, then we start the selfing or any other for purity of this germplasm. Then we make finally pure line, or it is also known as genotype. Okay, genotype is the pure line and germplasm is the inbreeding or some starting product of any crop and this planting material. Then finally we release the variety from any state level or central level, that is known as variety or cultivar. So this is the difference between germplasm, genotype, and line oblique variety oblique cultivar. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Question also many times is coming. Okay, next question is botanical name of two-row barley. Okay, you tell normal botanical name of barley. Anyone?
Sir, it's Atimum vulgare.
Hordeum vulgare is the common name of barley.
Hordeum disticon, sir.
Hordeum disticon.
Four answer is coming: Hordeum vulgare, Hordeum disticum, Hordeum irregular, and then Hordeum satium.
Hordeum distinct.
Good.
Vulgare.
So answer is Hordeum disticum. Or it is also important question and many times is coming. It is the salt tolerant cereal crop, that is barley. Hordeum vulgare or Hordeum two rows is disticum. Hello. Okay, then next question is coming. Herring-Bean system is associated with, anyone tell? Herring-Bean system is associated with?
No idea.
Okay. Then answer is irrigation, drainage, flowing, and storage.
Sir, storage, sir, storage.
No.
Storage, sir.
Related to drainage. Okay. Herringbane system is associated with drainage. Okay, the next question is World Forest Day is celebrated which date?
March 22.
Sir, March 21, sir.
March 21
March,
or
21 March.
21st March, 21st March.
Very good.
21st March.
21st March, sir.
21st March 22, 20 or 8.
Sir, no, there is
Answer is
28.
21st.
21st March ato.
Yeah.
The 21.
Sir, 21 March.
That is okay, na? 21st March. You see answer A. Okay, 90% is there. Okay, next question is first AICRP started in which crop? This question.
Sir,
is
maize, sir.
okay, maize. Then what is
Maize,
the
sir. Maize, sir.
Next question is related to this. Full form of AICRP. Anyone tell?
Sir,
All India Coordinated Research
All India Coordinated Research.
Which year started this first AICRP?
Sir, 1957, sir. 1957.
19
Who is told that is very good student?
Sir, 1957.
Yeah. That is the 1957. And even tell which year start the first agriculture university? Which year?
1960. Pantnagar, GB Pant.
Okay. And even tell what is the full form of PUSA? PUSA. PUSA.
Sir, USA is the country name and P is Philip from USA.
Oh, Harpreet, good. PUSA means P plus USA. One scientist is there, USA. That name is Phipps. So that's why they donated the land in Bihar. First time started PUSA means IRI at PUSA, Samastipur, Bihar. And the name is PUSA. PUSA Phipps. Phipps is this name of this donate the land of this Samastipur, Bihar. Okay, this question also coming many times. And which year started the IRI?
Sir, 1935.
What? And what is the at present name and what is the when starting this name?
Initially, it was Imperial.
Imperial. Good. Which year started?
But now Indian.
No.
1934.
Indian is 8%. Indian Agriculture Research Institute is the 8% name of IRI. But in starting, that name is Imperial Agriculture.
Sir, 1905.
Okay.
1905.
And which year transfer to PUSA Samastipur Bihar to IRI New Delhi?
1936.
1935.
Why transfer to Bihar to Delhi? Anyone tell?
1936.
Earthquake, sir.
1935.
Why transfer? Why?
Sir, earthquake damage.
Sir.
1936.
Damage, outbreak.
Earthquake is coming. That's why they transfer to the from PUSA Samastipur Bihar to IRI. And in 1949, the name is changed. Imperial to Indian when India is independent. Okay. Then next question. The total reporting area of India. That is some
328 million hectare.
Sir, 328 million hectares.
328.
That is the cultivated area.
306
Total reporting
million
area
hectares.
of India. This question is coming in my GRF time. Total reporting area of India. Okay, I will give you 4 answer. 3, 4, 2.
306 million hectares.
305.8.
Sir, 337.5.
305.8. Who is told?
3.5 point.
Harpreet, 3058. So this is the reporting area, okay? That is the cultivated area and this is the reporting area. Reporting area of India is 305.8 million hectare. Okay, the next question is, first time in India, which variety of rice was introduced from Erie, Philippines?
IR8.
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 Okay, first you tell the full form of Erie.
Sir, International Rice Research Institute.
International Rice Research
International Rice Research Institute.
International Rice Research Institute, sir.
Good. So, first time in India, which variety of rice was introduced? IR8,
IR8.
141, T90 or TN1.
IR8, sir.
TN1.
Other than IR8,
TN1.
so answer is
Yes.
TN1 is the first time in India that introduced from Erie. Okay, IR8 is not a first variety. Okay. Okay, next question is physical chromosome exchange means crossing over takes place in which phase? Other than plant scientist, student.
P-chitin.
Chitin.
I will give you
sir.
four answer. Diplotin,
P-chitin.
P-chitin, diptotin.
P-chitin.
Other than P-chitin,
Sir, Zygotin.
Acid.
Packet sir.
Packaging, I know.
Sir,
Okay.
Zygostin, sir.
P-chitin. You see, 70-80% is P-chitin and other than zygotin. So, P-chitin is the answer. Okay, next question is a form of low pruning to about 2 meter up to stem is called as. Anyone tell? A form of low pruning. That is the pruning in this fruit plants. About 2 meter up to the stem is called.
Pollarding.
Four answer is there: pruning, brushing, pollarding, and none of these. Anyone tell?
Pollarding.
Good. So answer is pollarding. Pruning means small. That is a small leaves is cutting. Then brushing is using only small herbs. So that using the pollarding. Okay, next question is a process of initiating a conscientious and purposeful action is called. That is related to social science. A process of initiating a conscious and purposeful action is called. Anyone tell other than social scientist, social student? Okay.
Sir, motivation.
Motivation. Then I will give you four answer. Coordination, education, motivation, and all of these.
All of this.
All of this.
All of this, sir.
Harpreet.
D, sir.
Sir, option D, sir. Option D.
D.
Motivation.
Sir, education.
That is the confusing type question. Okay, I will give the answer. That is the motivation. Okay. Coordination, education, that is other related word. Okay, next question is photosynthesis in green leaf. Utilize solar energy in the wavelength of nanometer. This question also coming many times.
400 to 700.
720 visible light.
4 to
400 to 720.
Sir, 400 to 700, sir.
Other than 400 to 700.
400 to
400 to 700.
400 to 700. Sir.
Okay, 100% is answer is okay. All are giving the one answer, that is 400 to 700 nanometer. Okay, next question. What is optimum plant population for BT cotton? You know BT
10,000.
cotton?
Sir,
10,000,
22,000.
sir.
22,000.
per hectare.
10,000 per hectare.
Okay, what is the BT or non-BT? Anyone tell? Which
Bacillus thuringiensis.
Okay, what is the role of BT cotton?
Sir, it is resistance to bollworm.
वो खत्म करता है सर.
Okay, okay. Which bollworm?
Cotton ball.
Cotton bollworm.
Cotton bollworm.
Cotton, in
Cotton
cotton
bollworm, sir.
many bollworms is there. Okay, three bollworm is there. One is pink
Helicobacter.
bollworm. Okay, I will type it. One is pink bollworm, that is Pectinophora gossyphylla. Another is spotted bollworm, that is scientific name is Aries insulana or Aries vitella. Then third is American bollworm. It is also known as gram pod borer, that is Helicorpa armigera.
Armigera.
Bollworms is there. That's why using this, because that is the major problem in cotton. That's why which year started this BT cotton? This question also coming. Which year started BT cotton in India?
Sir, 2008. 2008.
No. 2002. Okay. This question also coming many times. And again one question is making this. What is the difference between Bollgard first and Bollgard second? Two group is there in this BT cotton. One is Bollgard first, another is Bollgard second. So what is the difference between Bollgard first and Bollgard second? So difference between Bollgard first and second is Bollgard. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Again problem maybe, you know, some network problem is there. Okay, I will say it again. Okay. PowerPoint is coming now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will tell you about the difference between Bollgard first and Bollgard second. Okay. Mute yourself, Mukesh, other. Okay. So Bollgard first is coming in 2002. That having only one gene, that is known as Crygene first AC. This question also many times is coming. Another is Bollgard second. That is came in 2005. Why coming? Because in 2002, Bollgard first having only Crygene first AC. So they controlling only three bollworms: pink bollworm, spotted bollworm, and American bollworm. But another problem is occurring after 2002. This is the tobacco. Tobacco cutworm or tobacco caterpillar, Spodoptera litura. This another problem is occurring. So that's why they feeding on the leaves of the cotton. So that's why using the Bollgard second in 2005, and in Bollgard second having two gene. One is Crygene first AC, another is Crygene second AB. So this is the difference between Bollgard first and Bollgard second. Okay. Then anyone tell what is the gene pyramiding? This question also coming. Gene pyramiding. Hello? My voice is coming.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
What is gene pyramiding?
Sir.
Don't know, sir.
Gene pyramiding means, I have already told now, Bollgard second having two gene. If you are taking only one gene, that is more susceptible after some time. So that by using more than 2 gene, that is known as gene pyramiding. Means we have using 2, 3, 4 gene. If one time, then that are more resistant to any insect pest or any related to this. If you are coming this now soybean, so BT soybean also coming, but not in India. Other highest this transgenic plant is soybean, okay, in world. So what is against this resistance in soybean BT? Soybean transgenic plant is there, na? Against the herbicide, okay. This question also many times is coming in word, which is the highest transgenic crop area or highest transgenic this crop. So that is the soybean. And in India, only one crop is approved, that is cotton. Okay, then answer of this is 10,000, 27,000, 20, 37, 42. Answer already told. Which is the answer?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Good.
the
Optimum plant population for
Those are
BT
the-
cotton. Another many times this question also coming. This is refugia technique. What is refugia technique? That is also related to BT cotton. Anyone tell? Refugia. You know refugia. Some person is coming from Pakistan to India. There is sometime he told that is refugee. Refugee means that coming from outside. So in BT cotton,
Yes, sir.
okay, in BT cotton, refugia technique is using. That how many percent is using? That is 20%. This question also many times is coming. How many percent using the refugia technique? So what is refugia for BT cotton? In market, 500 gram seed is available, this polythene bag. In having 100 gram is non-BT. So why using non-BT? Anyone tell? In BT seed, having 400 gram is BT cotton seed and 100 gram is non-BT. That is essential, and Government of India already approved. Without that, not selling in market by the private company and the other government agency. So non-beating, why using? That is the refugia. Why using? Because if you are controlling to 100% of bollworms, then what will we do? They developing the resistance in the body, or they are taking on the BT cotton. So that's why using in around the main your field area of BT, that around in round 2 line of this non-BT. So they surviving the all the this larvae of bollworms as well as natural damage also. So that's why using this non-BT cotton seed, or it is also known as refugia technique. And then this question is coming, how many percent using the refugia technique? That is the 20%. 400 gram is main seed, BT cotton seed, and 100 gram is non-BT, or 400 is BT cotton. So you calculate only 20% using. So this question also many times is coming. Okay, then next question is nematode resistant variety of barley is? Nematode resistant variety of barley. Okay, I will give you 4 answer. Bilara 2, Raj Kiran, RD2503, RD2062. Mahendra?
C, sir.
Other than C?
B, sir, B.
This is very simple question here. Many times is
Sir,
coming.
C, sir. C, sir. 20.
This is B. Raj Kiran is the resistance variety of barley. Okay. Okay. Next question is dropsy disease in human being is caused by which weed? Other than agronomist.
Argemon mexicana, sir.
Agrimony mexicana.
Argibon Mexican.
What is Argemone maxiana? Anyone tell? Which type of weed? Or which crop is found as a weed?
Mustard.
Mustard, good.
Sir, wild master.
No. Which main crop is mustard, and that is the wild mustard that is known as Argemone mexicana, and then maybe some time before that is causing the disease, and many person is this adding this Argemone mexicana in main mustard, and then oil having this problem toxicity. Okay. Next question is related to agronomy. Phenyl mercuric acetate is a chemical used in agriculture crop in order to.
Antioxidant, sir.
Four answer is there. Increase CO2 uptake, increase photosynthesis,
Reduce transpiration, sir.
reduce
Reduce
transpiration,
transpiration.
reduce respiration. Other than transpiration,
No, sir. Reduce our transpiration only.
so answer is reduce the transpiration, and it's related to agronomy. Okay, next question is intraveinal chlorosis in young leaves or totally blanched may be Lyme induced, and excessive supply of P, Cu, Mn, zinc cause deficiency of which nutrient? Anyone tell?
Sir, molybdenum.
Other than molybdenum? Okay, I will give you four answer: iron, magnesium, calcium, and nitrogen.
Magnesium.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Iron.
Magnesium, sir.
Intraveinal chlorosis, yaar. That is due to iron.
Magnesium.
Iron. Agronomist also there. This is the simple question for agronomy. Okay, then next question is single superphosphate is preferred for phosphorus application in groundnut. Okay,
Sir, calcium and sulfur.
because it also supply other nutrients.
Wow.
Sir, calcium and sulfur.
Okay, answer is sulfur, calcium, sulfur and calcium, sulfur, calcium and nitrogen.
Sir, C, sir. Calcium and sulfur.
Other than C, anyone tell?
D.
Other than D,
Sir, C only.
C, good. So answer is sulfur and calcium. Single superphosphate also containing the sulfur and calcium. That's why, because in groundnut oil requirement is there, na? So sulfur increase the oil content in the groundnut or oilseed crops. Okay, next question is which crop suitable for soil having pH 4 to 6? I will give you answer. Four answer is there: rice, wheat, maize, and barley.
Right, sir.
Sir, barley, sir.
Barley is salt tolerant crop.
Sir,
Rice, sir.
Wheat.
Rice, sir, rice.
This question also many
Barley.
times is coming. That's why this is the problem. You are mostly, very less GRF. Means the simple question is there.
Sir, wheat, sir.
Rice.
Sir.
You know rice. Okay. That is rice. Then next question is percent of sulfur in single superphosphate. This question also many times is coming.
Sir, 12%. 12%.
12 to 16.
12%.
Wrong.
Sir, 12, sir, 12.5.
12 is no any answer.
11.5, sir.
Yeah.
11.5.
11.5.
Okay, this type question also coming. That is near to this, na? 12, 12.5, 11.5, 11. So answer is 12.5. Okay. Then next question is a recessive gene for resistance to disease can be transferred from one parent to another. Is using which method is using for transferring the recessive gene for resistance? Anyone tell?
Back cross.
Back cross. Back cross.
Back cross, sir, back cross.
Test cross, bulk method.
Back cross, sir. Back cross.
Good. It's okay.
Back cross.
100% is okay. Then next question is the chemical essential for chlorophyll formation in plant.
Magnesium.
Magnesium, sir.
You know structure of this, na? Chlorophyll. Completely.
structure.
So that having the
Yes, sir.
magnesium in center.
Pyrrole.
Okay. Then next question is mean is equal to variance in which distribution? This na general question in GRF having 2 to 3 question from statics. Okay. So this question also many times is coming. How many distribution is there? Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, or normal distribution? So which distribution having mean is equal to variance? So I will give you 4 answer. Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, or all of these.
Normal distribution.
Sir, binomial.
Okay, that is Poisson distribution. This question also many times is coming. So you also concentrate on around 30-40 question is there, normal. So that is coming many times. Minimum error degree of freedom, any of the what is called this now? Design. Minimum error degree of freedom. Anyone tell? In any design, that is CRD, RBD, LSD. This question also many times is coming. Minimum error degree of freedom. 12, good. This question also many times is coming, and another question is coming. What is the CRD formula? Then another is RBD, then LSD. So this also you take this, you know, different type where this now CRD having R into T means replication into T minus 1. In RBD, R minus 1, T minus 1. And in LSD, that is the same. In having this na block and treatment both are same. R into T minus 1. So this is the formula, and other.
Sir, potassium, sir, potassium.
Which element responsible for star formation? Nitrogen, phosphorus,
Sir,
potassium,
potassium, sir.
Other than potassium?
Phosphorus.
Sulfur.
Potassium. Okay. That is formation of stars and translocation and sugar also producing. So that is essential potassium. Okay, next question related to plant pathology. Blast of rice disease is caused by
Pyraclaria oryza.
Pyracularia
oryza.
I want to see the
Or Magneporte oryza.
Pyraclaria Origin.
Sir, B, sir.
This
Okay.
is this is blast of rice.
No, Pyrichlora oryzae is the blast of rice disease caused by Pyrichlora oryzae, not Solanae infestans.
Nice potato and all right.
Okay, next question is a useful pruning practices to produce large quantity of foliage close to ground level for fodder species or for leaf extract product. It's called
Horticulture, Monica. Monica to
other than horticulture.
Close to ground level.
Okay, I will give you 4 answers: pruning, looping, copicing, and
Looping.
thinning.
No, coping. I think it's
Again, to take the answer question, a useful pruning
direct
ground
message.
level for fodder.
Chapala market.
Let's reply him.
Again, tell. So answer is looping. Hello, all are mute. Sonam. Okay, answer is looping, not copicing. You know, fodder. Most of the fodder like Rinjga and other Bersim, Lucerne, that using the looping. Okay, next question is a variety producing by mixing seed of several phenotypic outstanding lines and allowing all combination is called
Mass selection.
germplasm
Synthetic.
complex, synthetic, composite, or hybrid.
Composite.
Other than composite, okay, answer is composite. If you are mixing the several phenotypic group, that making the composite. Okay, next question is red hemoglobin in root nodules, which is responsible for
Nitrogen fixation.
Nitrogen fixation, sir.
okay, I will give the 4 answer: transport of oxygen, transport of hydrogen, transport of nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Sorry, A.
Other than A,
Oxygen. It is oxygen.
okay, answer is oxygen. Okay, you know, in insect blood having the red hemoglobin. Red hemoglobin is present in insect blood.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. No hemoglobin.
In blood of insect that not having the red hemoglobin, but one question is, one insect is there that is chironomid larvae that having the red hemoglobin. Only one. In 9 lakh species, only one insect is there that is red, chironomid larvae that having the hemoglobin. Other than not any hemoglobin in the blood of insect. This question also many times is coming. Okay, next question is nailed cultivated area of India is 143 million hectare. Then what is the irrigation potential of India? Other than agronomist? Okay, I will give you 4 answer. 55 million hectare, 80 million hectare, 92 and 100 million hectare.
Sir, B, 80 million hectares.
Other than B?
Yeah,
Okay, answer is 92 million hectare. Only irrigation potential of India is 92 million hectare, but total net cultivated area is 143. And you also study the cropping intensity. This question also many times is coming. Cropping intensity of India.
135%.
To this. Okay. The next question is pest bollworm is seen in the following crops.
Sir, cotton.
Cotton.
Cotton. Okay. This is simple question. Okay, next question is gibberellic acid is commonly used to improve the size of fruit.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Good. Okay, next question is early variety of bear is, you know bear. How many species of bear in India? First you tell how many species of bear. That is variety, Gola and other. Botanical name of bear?
Ziziphus mauritiana.
Ziziphus mauritiana is the common. Then another two species also there.
Nummuleria and Jujuba.
Jujuba is not found in India. That is found China. In India, only three species is there. First is Ziziphus mauritiana, that is the commercial and then big size of fruit. Then another is Ziziphus rotundifolia, that we have using the root stock for mauritiana. Then another is Nummularia, Ziziphus nummularia, that is found in Rajasthan area. Very small fruit is there and that is herb type tree is there. So in this early varieties Mundia, Umran, Seb, Gola or Zogia?
Gola.
Good, Seb and Gola.
She.
Okay. Then next question is planting season for deciduous plant. This question also many times is coming. Normal planting season is, what is the normal planting season? July, August. But for deciduous plant, anyone tell?
Sir, January, February, sir. January, February.
Other than January, February?
September, October.
So answer is January, February. Okay, next question. Which of the following is polyembryony mango variety? Okay, I will give you four answer. Langra, Bombay Green, Olar or Neelam?
Neelam, sir.
Olur, good.
Olos.
Not a Neelam, Bombay Green, that is not a polyembryony. So Olar and other two variety also there. You also study these varieties. Olar and other may be there. So this question also many times is coming. So another is out of following which fruit plant need Bahar treatment? You know Bahar treatment?
Yes, sir.
How many Bahar is there?
Guava and pomegranate. Guava and ananas.
Okay, then you tell the how many Bahar?
3.
Tell name.
Ambe, Hasba.
Ambe Bahar,
Mrigi Bahar,
or
Mrigi
Mrigi
Bahar.
Okay, you
Sir,
tell.
option D, sir.
It's okay. That is B. Guava and pomegranate. Answer is guava and pomegranate. I will talk about the Bahar. 3 Bahar is there. Asbar, Mrigi Bahar, or Ambe Bahar. Okay, another question related to this rice having 3 season. Anyone tell?
Us.
Yeah, good. One is us. Another? Boro. Then?
And Kharif.
No. You talk.
Us, Aman, Boro.
Us, Aman, Boro. Us is starting May, June. Then Aman is June, July. Then Boro. Which
Spring.
month started the Boro rice? That question many times is coming.
December.
November, December. Okay. Then next question is our diet stable vegetable crop is that is common.
Potato.
Brinjal, tomato, potato, and chili.
Potato.
Potato. Good. Then next, second last question. Red flesh is a variety of
Guava.
tomato, mango,
Tomato.
guava, papaya.
Sir, papaya, sir, papaya.
Sir, guava.
Okay, guava. Okay, last question is which variety of date palm used for dry date?
Kandravi.
Okay, I will tell you about the date palm. Date palm having 3 stages. First is doka stage, pinned stage. First we are taking immature. Partana Burman. All mute. Sonam. Okay, I will tell about the different these stages of the date palm. First is doka, then doka stage, then pinned stage, then last is swara. Okay, so in pinned doka stage, that is immature stage, and pinned after that is if you are mature, then making the pinned, and another is swara stage. So which variety is famous for swara? Barahi, Medjool, Halavi, or Samran?
Medjool.
Medjool. Medjool is the variety that is using for swara. Why using swara? Because it is a big size. Medjool is the big size of this variety. Actually, we are working for this date palm na last 10 years. That's why this all this na we have taken what is the condition and why using this swara for Medjool, because Medjool having big size of fruit. In this na doka stage we have taken for this swara. After doka stage we collect and then we go for warming in this fruit. After that we dry. So this is the process for making swara. Another pinned is not this that is coming from field. After this na maturing, they change into swara. Swara, oh sorry, this pinned you use throughout the year, 1 year, 2 years, no any problem. But doka we will use only this 10 to 15 days. So this is the about the today we have taken 15 questions. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So it's okay.
Yes, sir.
But you don't come
Yes,
in
sir,
other
it's
classes
good.
now. You take all the classes, subject related na.
Okay, sir.
So many scientists coming from ICR and other. You use this. If you are not taking, then what is the use? So its format is okay. Yeah, we will change.
Okay, sir.
This format is okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are also taking. After 15 to 20 days, we will also take this type of question. General agriculture and as well as entomology, we will take our group only this entomology group, and common question we will take all. Okay, thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.